Meet David Gray, an electrician turned entrepreneur with a dream to transform the electrician's life forever. The revolutionary ViperClip and ViperClip gun promise quicker and safer cable fastening during construction. David and Julie Gray invested a decade of their lives and nearly every penny to bring their vision to life. Strapped for cash in 2021, they took the bold step of pitching on Dragon's Den for funding and support. The Dragons recognized the potential in ViperClip, granting them the resources to launch their innovative product line. Before accepting any orders, Julie prioritized implementing MRP software to streamline operations and ensure quality. MRPeasy emerged as the perfect solution, seamlessly bridging ease of use and essential functionality for their needs. With the new system, they track each product's journey, ensuring full quality control from start to finish. MRPeasy also simplifies pricing and invoicing, adapting effortlessly to various customer orders and bulk purchases. With a focus on gradual software integration, Julie emphasizes the user-friendly nature of MRPeasy. Embrace the future.